What's up there, crew? Here in San Antonio, last day here, and you guys ready for another TRW giveaway? Monday, January 14th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is what we're going to be giving away, and this is how you're going to enter. All right, so this week we have over $500 in giveaways. We're giving away some diamond cut flatback rhinestone starter kits, some shoe kits, some magic flock template material, some mini packs, all types of things. So first thing you need to do is just check the description below. All you need to do is watch a few videos, comment and like on those videos. You're going to learn some things in the videos which are going to be great, are going to help your business, and it's also going to enter you to win. Then also make sure to go to the Facebook post where you're going to see this video as well. Make sure to share and like that Facebook post, comment and tag a friend, and those will get you more entries for the extra mini packs that we'll be giving away as well. Like I said, over $500 in giveaways this week. Finishing up our trip here in San Antonio. Pretty awesome place here, as you guys can see, but looking forward to Monday night. But you know what else is going to happen Monday night? We're going to release our new TRW Job Business Profit Calculator. Our TRW Business Profit Calculator. It's going to help you save so much money. It's going to help you price all your items right, and it's going to be specially discounted for all of you guys that are on the live on Monday. So you'll see the link below for the YouTube to set your reminder for the live on Monday as well. So make sure to click on that. Read the directions to enter all of the other prizes, and we're going to have an awesome time Monday. Teach you how to use that calculator, give away a boatload of stuff. And make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel right here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you Monday. Later.